Alright, hey guys, this video is just gonna be a little bit of footage of me riding while, the phone is gonna be on the dirt bike with me while I'm riding. I thought it looked pretty cool, the footage, and yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like that little bit of footage, and from the dirt bike. And go check out our new series. We have one video on it. It's called Will It Spin? We have one video. We made a little star fidget spinner. Oops, dropped it. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Like that little bit of footage. Say bye, Handy.